In this video, we show how to replace a Boss carrier on a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the Boss carrier, open the latch on the rear and then slide it all the way out of the system. To remove the M.2 NVMe SSD, loosen the two captive screws on the cover. Then, tilt the cover and remove it. Lift the SSD at an angle and remove it from the connector on the carrier. Note, when replacing the SSD, be sure to replace existing thermal pads with new ones. To install the M.2 NVMe SSD, align it at an angle with the connector and slide it in. Place the cover on the carrier and tighten the two captive screws to secure it in place. To install a Boss carrier, align it with the rear of the system, slide it all the way in until fully seated, and close the latch to secure it in place. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.